Hi everyone, welcome to another RGI Easy Sewing tutorial with Avena Prince, and today we are going to show you how to use the bias binding press foot. Putting bias binding is something that you could be doing a lot of depending on what area of sewing that you're in, and this press foot just makes life so much easier. So right now we're just going to show you exactly how to do that. Let's do this. The first thing we're going to do is to remove our presser foot. So there's a lever right behind of the shank, and we're just going to release it. So we are removing this presser foot and we are placing in our bias binding presser foot. Once you put in your bias binding, you're going to open it so that you have one part on the top and the other part on the bottom. And you are going to slip your fabric through this opening right here. The bias binding goes in this part right here, and you're going to open the bias binding and put one piece. If you look carefully, you'll see there's one piece up and then there's another piece under. So you're going to divide the bias binding parts, or the top and the bottom piece of the bias binding. So you see how I just slip that in there. Okay, I'm going to just do it again. Okay, so I put one piece on the bottom and the other piece is on the top. Yes. Right there. So you see how that fits in nicely. And then I'm going to take my fabric and slip it in here. Okay, so basically that's what you're doing. I will leave my bias binding in place, and I am going to put this part on the machine. Okay, so I am placing the fabric right in the middle there. So I have everything in different colors so that you can see it better. Ready to sew. You can see the placement. The fabric is placed inside of the bias binding, and it is basically already encased. And then we have the presser foot. Well, everything is inside of the presser foot, and we are going to stitch. Always do your reverse stitch when you start. And guys, here you have it. Life just got easier. So look at this, the bias binding is already installed, just as if I was doing some regular sewing. You definitely need to get this presser foot, make your life easier, and we have it at Master Fix It. You know what we're all about, making life easier for seamstresses, sewists, tailors, sewers, fashion designers, just helping you on your sewing journey and keeping it simple. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, we have a lot more of these easy hacks coming up, so do so to keep yourself informed of everything that we do. Until next time.